Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education. We are dedicated to guiding students from their very first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. Welcome to Course Day 2, Making Your Characters Move. Today, we unlock the power of animation, directional pointing, and programming sprites to explore the stage using motion blocks and rotation styles. Our mission preview focuses on sprite control. We will learn to animate with blue motion blocks, making sprites run, glide smoothly, point in specific directions, and bounce off walls automatically for our project, the Bouncing Patrol game. Today, we will cover 3 key areas: angles and direction, mastering Scratch's orientation circle, steps versus glides, comparing instant moves with smooth paths, and borders and rotations, learning how to lock rotation axes so characters don't flip when bouncing. Mastering angles and direction is crucial. Scratch uses a math compass system for facing direction. For example, 90 degrees points right, minus 90 degrees points left, and 0 degrees points straight up. Let's compare stepping versus gliding mechanics. Incremental moves instantly shift the sprite along its current path. Continuous glides move sprites smoothly over time. Instant coordinates teleport the sprite without calculating animation frames. Here is a step-by-step guide for patrol and bounce. Create a smooth patrolling sprite by dragging a forever loop, nesting a move 10 steps block inside, and adding the if on edge bounce block. Then, fix potential upside-down movement by snapping a set rotation style left-right block on top. Time for a quick concept checkpoint. If a character points in direction 180, which direction are they looking? The correct answer is straight down. Another concept checkpoint. What happens if you run move blocks without a rotation lock style? The correct answer is the sprite might turn upside down on bounce. Your Day 2 Reflection Sandbox mission is to create a second sprite, a bouncing beach ball. Program it to point at an angle of 45 degrees and forever run forward so it bounces off the ceiling and floor like a real game ball. Thank you for watching. Join our community to see how we make learning tech fun and impactful. Visit our YouTube channel and unlock your digital potential with TechApex Academy. Like, share, and subscribe for a peek into our EdTech journey.